As the population of our world heads inexorably towards a forecast 9 billion by the year 2050, are we facing a crisis or an opportunity? At Alltech, we believe the latter and are strategically placed to take full advantage of the many opportunities presented. A population of 9 billion represents 2 billion extra mouths to feed. Mouths that will be predominantly urban and middle class and demanding of more protein in the form of meat, eggs, fish, and milk 3 times a day, every day. Alltech has the tools to profit from those demands. As demand for fish as a healthy source of protein increases, so our stocks of wild fish decreases. Farmed species, which already represent 50% of all fish consumed, must expand even faster to fill the gap. The use of fish oil, derived from our dwindling wild fish stocks as a feed ingredient in aquaculture, is unsustainable. Rich in DHA, an important omega-3 fatty acid, fish oil is also in demand for human consumption, having been shown to be important in brain, heart, joint, and skin health. Alltech has made a vital investment in algae technology at our state-of-the-art plant in Winchester, Kentucky, the largest of its kind in the world. Alltech is able to produce DHA by growing specific proprietary strains of algae using a highly efficient deep tank fermentation system. Using this technology, Alltech is already working with major food companies to produce DHA-enriched meats, milk, and eggs. The market for the USA and China alone represents a $5 billion opportunity. Estimates indicate the global yeast-based protein market will reach $5 billion in 2016. Yeast fermentation has been our core technology for over 30 years, and our specialist yeast production facility in Brazil has been in production for almost 20. By replicating the efficiencies of this plant in the region, we will be able to seize a larger share of this burgeoning market. It is the farmers of the world who will provide the food required to feed the 9 billion who will populate our planet in 2050. Alltech is talking to them directly in order that we both can optimize our results. By working directly with farmers, Alltech will reduce disease, carbon emissions, and the devastating effects of mycotoxins on the farm. Improved animal health and performance will lead to farms that are efficient, sustainable, and profitable. Alltech's opportunities are not restricted to animal production. Crop farmers across the globe are seeing increased yields from application of our natural crop science solutions. Potato farmers in Washington State, corn growers in Iowa, citrus growers in Florida, fruit producers in Brazil, and wheat growers in Ireland are all seeing substantial and sustainable benefits from a simple application of Alltech crop science. With its China Now plan, Alltech is ideally positioned to seize the opportunities presented by the growing middle class and the demands it places on Chinese agriculture. Alltech's facility in Tianjin makes it a key local Tier 1 production location, enabling us to seize on opportunities locally and to move quickly in the market. The research alliance with key universities across the country replicates the successful model we have implemented elsewhere around the world, allowing us to maximize the potential. The drinking habits of the extra 2 billion inhabiting our planet will provide Alltech with a unique double opportunity. The craft brewing and distilling industry continues to grow, and brewers are demanding a more natural raw material, opening the door to grain produced using crop science. As experts in fermentation and a producer of our own beers and spirits, Alltech can tell its story directly to the consumer, while at the same time taking a share of an industry which is valued at $11 billion in the U.S. alone. Tell the story at the Alltech FEI World Equestrian Games 2014 in Normandy. Animal performance is of course core to Alltech's brand, yet our sponsorship this time presents us with the opportunity to tell the world how we partner with farmers and food producers to help them deliver more nutritious food both now and in the future. What could be more appropriate than sponsoring this event in Normandy, France, a renowned agricultural region, in a country known around the world for the finest in food? With 500,000 visitors and 500 million TV viewers, the World Championship of Equestrian Sport showcases the world's finest animals performing at their absolute peak. What better opportunity can there be to showcase Alltech's brand to the world? In China, the written word for crisis is represented by two symbols, danger and opportunity. At Alltech, we see the dangers and are ready to grab the opportunities with both hands.